The dollar index took a sharp dip last week. We talked about this in our previous analysis that once it drops below 106, you can expect 105 and 104 as the major levels, and then the next target is directly to 102 levels. So yes, it has seen a good dip and closed the week below 104. So what to expect? Can we expect it to continue with the bearish momentum as it has shown you a flat closing, or is it going to reverse from here? What should be our position? Which position we should take in order to profit? We shall see with the help of charts and indicators. And towards the end of this analysis, I'll give you the trading levels and strategy. So do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, do note down the levels, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and keep yourself updated with the daily analysis on major global markets and commodities. Let's start. Now, we had seen earlier last week that it has seen a little bit of retracement, and see there was a closing on the bearish side. It tried to pull back and failed to go past on the upside till towards 107 itself. And yes, achieving 107, the sharp pullback has happened and it has closed the bearish week. It has breached this level at 106 and then it has shown a sharp bearish week. Now see, this is just the beginning. First red candle, second red candle, increasing body size. It also indicates flat closing. It also indicates that there could be a third sharper bearish candle which might bring it below 102 levels. There is a very strong probability which exists. Now see this. This zone at 103.5 is also very important, 104, 103.5, because this may provide a little support, because trading below 103.5 directly it will land to 102 and 101.5 levels, and then it can breach further below. On the downside, this is going to be the maximum support zone at 98.99, but whether it is going to achieve this or not, we will see with the help of further charts. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see the behavior here: drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. Now this is a series of third red candle which indicates that there could be a potential little retracement. However, till the time it trades above below 105, do not consider this for a reversal, and then towards 106, only above 106, consider this for a reversal. Right now it is trying to create a channel. This is a bearish channel. It has almost achieved the bottom here, and hence also you should be cautious of 103.5, breaking below which certainly more bearishness can be expected. On the upside, this zone at 106, 107 is certainly going to be a good resistance. Now also one must not forget that this was the previous consolidation zone and it is trying to breach this zone. Below that, directly on the daily charts, it is going to land for 100 to 1.5 zone, and below that a good drop cannot be denied. So this is another observation here for US dollar basket. Also remember, this is taking a trend here, and hence probably there could be sharper downside momentum. Now look at the monthly charts here. On the monthly charts, now see, certainly first and second red candle, this is what we saw on our weekly charts also. You can find out a smaller red candle and a sharp red candle with a little highs. And now see this monthly charts where it has started. It has started here and it is already taking a shape. It appears it is almost in a hurry. Now see the previous move, almost 105 to 112, 7 points of move there. Now if you count at least 7 points of body from 105, then it appears that it can try to first get the support here at 102, and then below that it can further break on the downside till towards 98 levels in the month of December itself. One should remain cautious because this also suggests what possibility exists for other currencies, indices and commodities going forward. One should be very careful. It is trying to take a sharper move, and this for sure is certain that till the time it trades below 106, I will not consider this for a reversal. Only above 106 I can expect it to buy. Till the time it trades below 106, I will be looking forward to 102 and in fact 98 levels. So this is what we can see with the help of charts. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. Before that, just let me turn off and show you something here on the monthly charts. Now look at the monthly charts. See, this was the sharp bullish move here. It is trying to erase the gains. Where could be the first lending levels? Yes, this zone at 100 is going to be a good support, and then 98 also it may try to get the support before, even if it tries to retrace or reverse on the upside. This is what a probability which appears very strong here. Now let's have a look on the indicators part on the daily chart. Now on the indicators also see the 20 and 100 period crossover, and now in fact the 50 and 100 period crossover also. These are diverging, indicating strong bearish momentum. And also look at the 20 period moving average situated at 106, which make it a very strong level, only beyond which you can consider that it is trying to reverse a bit till towards 108, 110, else it can break strongly. Look at the directional movement is divergent and bearish. This also on the daily charts indicates that there is probably a conversion which should happen from here, and hence you should be cautious of these levels. The stochastic has again come back to oversold zone. You can find out whenever it has seen the oversold zone, it tried to give you minimal movements on the downside, and then a reversal happens. Hence, we should be watchful of this. Also, look at the MACD. This is crossing over for a sell-off again. Now, see, it is already trading at a bottom levels, and for USD, this is happening after long. Hence, this levels one should remain cautious. Also, look at the RSI. This has come back to oversold zone after long period here. It was trading oversold for the very first time. It is looking forward to such lower levels, and hence stretching downside appears. Yes, it can stretch it. If it can stretch on the overbought level side, it can stretch on the oversold side too, and hence you should remain cautious here. Now look at the weekly. On the weekly charts, the 20 period weeks average is trying to converge here. The 50 period is staying constant. The 100 period is far below, and hence yes, there is lot much on the downside. Look at the weekly charts here. The Bollinger Bands had started expanding here. This appears to indicate bearishness. Look at the MACD crossing over and diverging here on the weekly charts, and this crossover is happening after 2 to 3 years. This was the time after COVID. Since then it was trading bullish, and this is just crossed over, and hence we have to remain cautious. Look at the stochastic. This has come back to the extremely oversold zone, and this was in 2021 when it has seen such levels, and it has tried to retrace again on the upside. I will be watchful of this. This is giving a mixed indication. There could be a possibility of a reversal. However, a confirmation of a buy is above 106, beyond which certainly more bullishness can be seen. Look at the weekly charts and the MACD here. This is divergent, this is bearish. It appears to achieve these levels before it tries to converge again. See the peak, it has seen the peak here possibly, or it may give you a couple or more red candles before it tries to converge. We have to remain extra vigilant here. RSI looking downwards. It was trading oversold for multiple weeks. Now it is trying to enter into oversold zone. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, it was trading outside the Bollinger Bands, getting a pullback here. The 20, 50, 100 months average are situated. It is traded around those levels, that is 95 to 100. Hence, you have to. There is a possibility that it can achieve this. See, for multiple months, it was trading extremely bullish. It is trying to converge here. Let's see if it crosses over and enters into a sell zone. The stochastic, which was trading multiple months overbought, it is now looking downwards. It is looking forward to come back to oversold zone. The MACD is trying to converge from the high, sees this sharper dip here. It is looking forward to cross over soon. Let's see if it does. RSI was overbought, looking downwards here. So it indicates that it is trying to cool down the indicators on the weekly and monthly charts a bit, so that you can achieve further lower levels, and at around those levels, that is 95 to 100. How it behaves will decide the further course of action for dollar basket. So we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and levels for next. And before I give you the levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 18th batch is going to start in the first week of January. Equip yourself with the tools and techniques which will help you not only analyze currencies, commodities, indices, but crypto also. So equip yourself with the tools and techniques which will help you become a profitable trader. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where you can trade the indices and commodities and trade profitably. So reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are as mentioned in the channel and video description. Only reach out to the IDs mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, where to buy? First, we'll talk about the buying levels here, and which also is a good entry point. You can buy at 103.93, expect 104.2, and then beyond that it is going to fly a little high or recover a little till towards 104.8, and if it breaks 104.8 and 105.2 zone, you can confirm that it is showing a little strength and trying to recover a bit. The next stronger resistance zone is 106. This is going to be a very strong resistance zone between 106 and 106.4. If it trades above this, you can certainly expect that we are looking forward to 107 and beyond 107. Confirm this as bullish. I don't see it happening that it is going to reverse till 11, but sky is the limit on the upside. Anything can happen. These are markets. On the downside, where you should take a sell entry, I will recommend you to sell here at 103.33 itself. Below that, you can certainly expect 103 as the first support, and if it breaches 103 directly, it may try to land for 102.38 and then 102 levels. Remember, we had talked about this. 102 is the next important milestone for the dollar basket, and below 102 certainly more bearishness, more pressure, more downward pressure can be seen. You can expect 101.6, 100.8 and 100. This is going to be very important support levels. Trading below 100 directly, 98 levels will be seen, and sky is the limit on the downside. 95-98 zone certainly be a good support level. It appears in numbers that everything is so much achievable, but look at the percentage terms. Drop of 10 points from here certainly be a very extreme, will definitely impact the markets extremely. You should trade with caution. On the upside, 106 levels you should definitely be watchful of, and 107 rather, I will say, beyond which sky is the limit. It can try to fly again for 110, 112 and erase the gains from the previous month. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.